Good evening, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. We wish all our viewers and readers a very happy Dhanteras. In today's news, we will be covering news about Samsung AI Forum 2023 showcases AI and semiconductor technology, Instagram to offer option to disable read receipts, new macOS malware threat, Rust Bucket variant targets Apple device, Jio introduces JioPhone Prima 4G in India, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below and don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Rockstar Games, the developer of Grand Theft Auto GTA, officially announces the release of the first trailer for the highly anticipated GTA 6. The trailer's release is planned for December and is set to coincide with the celebration of the 25th anniversary of Rockstar Games, a subsidiary of Take-Two Interactive. Gamers and fans of the series eagerly await this trailer as it is expected to provide insights into the gameplay and setting of the upcoming game. While it's unclear whether GTA 6 is the official title, Rockstar Games has used fictional city names inspired by real-world locations in previous titles such as San Andreas and Vice City. Speculation surrounds the game possibly featuring both a male and female protagonist, a first for the franchisee, with Vice City serving as the setting. Next we have Apple, recognized as the world's most valuable publicly traded company, reaffirms its commitment to carbon reduction without passing extra charges onto consumers. Apple's Vice President Lisa Jackson emphasizes that the company does not impose a premium for their environmental initiatives. With a market capitalization of approximately $2.8 trillion, Apple aims to set an example for other businesses, aligning with the vision of CEO Tim Cook. Apple has been at the forefront of advocating for more stringent environmental policies in the United States, including supporting legislation in California mandating greenhouse gas emissions reporting by companies. Critics argue that tech companies like Apple have a relatively easier path to meet environmental goals compared to more energy-intensive industries. Jio, a prominent Indian telecom provider, launches the JioPhone Prima 4G, targeting the Indian market at an affordable price point of Rs 2,599. This feature phone runs on the KaiOS platform, offering access to popular applications like WhatsApp, YouTube, and Facebook. The JioPhone Prima 4G features a 2.4-inch display, providing users with the capability to utilize video applications and stay connected through social media. Users can leverage the Google Assistant via the KaiOS platform, offering access to apps such as JioTV, JioCinema, and JioPay for UPI payments. Key features of the phone include support for up to 128 GB of storage via a micro SD card, FM radio, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and front and rear cameras for photos and selfies. The device also supports 23 Indian languages and comes with an 1800 mAh battery. A comprehensive study by cybersecurity firm McAfee unveils that a staggering 90% of Indians receive fake messages or fall victim to scam daily, mainly through email, text messages, and social media. The research demonstrates that 60% of Indian respondents perceive it as increasingly challenging to discern scam messages due to the employment of artificial intelligence (AI) by cybercriminals, making the scams more convincing. A noteworthy finding is the growing sophistication of scam messages, with 49% of respondents noting that they no longer contain typos or errors, making them more difficult to identify. The study highlights that the most prevalent types of scam messages in India include prize-winning notifications, fraudulent job offers, bogus bank alerts, fake purchase notifications, and misleading subscription updates. The profound impact of the overwhelming volume and sophistication of these scams result in an average Indian spending 105 minutes each week evaluating message authenticity, amounting to over 2 full work weeks annually dedicated to scam detection. The rise of AI-driven scams has eroded trust in digital communications for 37% of Indian survey respondents. Despite these challenges, the study underscores a strong belief in the potential of AI to combat scams, with 88% of Indians expressing trust in AI-driven solutions and 59% acknowledging the need for AI to counter AI in the ongoing battle. A novel and dangerous malware variant believed to originate from North Korea via the syndicate of the Lazarus Group, known as Blue Norov, is currently targeting macOS systems, including the entire lineup of MacBook and iMac devices. Named Rust Bucket, This malware has been under observation since April and it continues to evolve in its attack strategies, adapting to new targets. What sets Rust Bucket apart is its ability to infiltrate macOS systems stealthily, granting it access to user data without raising network security alarms. Notably, it remains undetectable by most antivirus tools during routine scans. Furthermore, the malware can communicate with a command and control server to download and execute various payloads, thereby posing a severe risk to digital assets, including cryptocurrencies. Protecting macOS devices from this malware involves precautionary measures such as avoiding opening email attachment from unknown sources, maintaining an updated macOS version, and installing antivirus or anti-malware software for an additional layer of protection. Instagram, a popular social media platform under the Meta umbrella, is set to introduce a new feature allowing users to disable read receipts, much like the functionality in WhatsApp. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg announced this forthcoming feature, emphasizing that it is currently undergoing testing and will be available to users in the near future. When this feature is enabled, Instagram will not notify the sender that the recipient has seen their message, offering flexibility to users who may not wish to respond immediately or wish to maintain their privacy. It is worth noting that even with read receipts disabled, if users activate vanish mode, the sender can still determine if their messages have been viewed. The release of this feature is anticipated soon, providing users with more control over their messaging experience on Instagram. Additionally, Instagram is enhancing its user experience by allowing the addition of song lyrics to Instagram Reels, mirroring a feature already present in Instagram Stories. At last, Samsung Electronics hosts the Samsung AI Forum 2023, a prominent event highlighting the latest achievements in artificial intelligence (AI) and computer engineering (CE), with a focus on contributing to the development of next-generation semiconductor technology. The forum took place at the Suwon Convention Center in Gyeonggi-do, South Korea, attracting over 1,000 attendees, including leading academics, industry experts, researchers, and students from across the globe. The event's objective was to engage in discussions surrounding the application of AI and semiconductor technologies to create a brighter future. Key topics covered during the forum included the transformation of AI for various industries, large-scale computing solutions for language models, LLMs, and simulation, and the trajectory of LLM-based semiconductors. The Samsung Advanced Institute of Technology hosted the first day of the forum, while the second day took place at the Samsung Research and Development Campus in Seoul, South Korea. The forum also included the announcement of the winners of the Samsung AI Researcher Award and the Samsung AI CE Challenge, recognizing and celebrating promising researchers, university students, and graduates who have excelled in the AI and computer engineering domains. The competition featured 16 winning teams from a pool of 1,481 students organized into 410 teams. To reach a broader audience, the official video recordings of the Samsung AI Forum 2023 are set to be available on the Samsung Electronics YouTube channel starting from 16th November, making the insights and discussion accessible to a wider audience beyond the event attendees. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।